Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing credentials and permissions so the sync can happen without interruptions. Sign into your company Outlook account and verify the password works. If you use MFA, have your second factor ready. Once done, check your iPhone's iOS version and any mobile device management restrictions your company enforces, because those can block calendar sync. Finally, make sure calendar access and background app refresh are enabled for Outlook. This lets events update automatically in the background. You'll now add the Exchange account directly on the iPhone to establish calendar sync. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, and Add Account. Pick Exchange and enter your company email and a recognizable description. When prompted, sign in with your password and complete MFA or app password steps. This authenticates calendar access. After authentication, toggle calendars on, then adjust fetch or push behavior in mail settings so updates arrive on your preferred cadence. These steps create a persistent connection between Outlook and your iPhone calendar. Finish by confirming events appear and changes propagate both ways. Open the iPhone calendar and Outlook app, create a test event from one side, and verify it shows up on the other. This proves sync is working. If events are missing or delays occur, toggle the calendars setting off and on, force close the apps, and reopen them to refresh tokens. If that fails, remove and re-add the Exchange account, and check with IT for MDM or conditional access blocks. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.